Hello friends, welcome to Vamshi's Mathematics Academy. Today I am starting 7th class Mathematics. In 7th class I am starting first chapter, that is integers. Let's see what are the topics in integers. Chapter name is integers. Chapter name is integers. First, what is integers? Okay. Before discussing definition on integers, we note that natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers are nothing but countable numbers. Countable numbers that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. And the natural numbers are represented as and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. These are natural numbers. Next, coming to definition number 2 is whole numbers. Whole numbers. Whole numbers starts from 0 and so on is known as whole numbers, and whole numbers are represented by W, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, etc. Here the difference between natural number and whole numbers is 0. You can observe clearly why, because natural numbers starts from 1 and whole numbers starts from 0. Yeah, we can say that the difference between natural number and whole number is 0. These are the topics, two basic topics. Okay. Next, after that, integers. Integers are nothing but our chapter name, integers. Integers are nothing but positive numbers and negative numbers. Positive numbers and negative numbers, and including zero is known as integers. Here positive numbers are nothing but plus ones, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, so on. And the negative numbers are nothing but minus values, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on, etc. And including 0. Here integers are represented by Z. 0, plus 1, plus 2, minus 1, minus 2, so on, infinity. This is the integers definition, students. Now, let's start the exercise 1. Okay, students. Now I am starting exercise 1. In this one, question number 1 is: some integers are marked on the number line, which is the biggest and which is the smallest. Okay, this is number line. 0 is the center one. Right side has positive values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the left side has negative values minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. No, here on number line, two numbers are marked here. By seeing this number line, we have to write the biggest number and the smallest number. Now write the biggest number is equal to here 2. Why? Because here plus 2 is marked, and the smallest number is smallest number is equal to minus 3 students. Okay. Now, one point remember on number line, 0 is the center one, right side has positive values, left side has negative values. Compared to negative values, always positive values are the greater one and negative values are smaller values. Okay. In this question on number line, two numbers are marked. By seeing this number line, we have to write which one is the biggest number, which one is the smallest number. Here biggest number is plus value, that is 2, and the smallest number is that is minus 3. This is question 1, student. Now let's see the question number 2. Yeah. Okay, students, here question number 2 is write the integers between the pairs of integers given below. Also choose the biggest and smallest integers from them. Okay, question number 1 is minus 5 comma minus 10. Now, first write integers between minus 5 and minus 10 are minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 10. Why? Because take number line, this is number line. Here two integers are there, one integer is minus 5, one more integer is minus 10. Here both the integers are negative numbers. Do not take no need to take here positive integers. Number line take only 0 is center one, right side has positive values, left side has negative values. Here two integers are negative values, right? Take only negative integers. Minus 5, minus 10 means minus start from here minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. Now here what we have to write the integers between the pairs of integers given below. Also choose the biggest and smallest integers from them. Here I drawn number line here. Here only I have taken only negative integers. Why? Because here both the integers are negative. That's why here I have taken only negative integers. 0 is the center one. Left side numbers all I am taking. Why? Because here both the integers are negative integers. Minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, 10. Here what we have to write? Minus 5 and minus 10. Circle minus 5 and circle minus 10. Between these two integers, what numbers are there? That numbers you have to write. Therefore, integers between minus 5 and minus 10 are minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Now, after that, what we have to do? We have to write the biggest integer and the smallest integers. That biggest integer is nothing but minus 9 and smallest integer is nothing but minus 6. Right. How can we write? Your question is, right, sir, how should we write a biggest integer and the smallest integer? Simple. Example, take example, here 9 and 6. Two numbers are there. 9 and 6. Coming to positive integers. Positive integer, which number is bigger number? Means, yeah, you can say easily 9 is a bigger one, sir, 6 is a smaller one. But coming to negative integers is exactly opposite to positive integer. If example in positive integer plus 9 is a bigger, minus 3 is a smaller. Here negative integers, example in negative integers, coming to integers part, both the numbers are negative. Bigger numbers are smaller, smaller numbers are bigger. In which case negative integers. In positive integers, plus 9 plus 6 are there. Plus 9 is a bigger integer, plus 6 is a smaller integer. Same, exactly opposite is a negative integers. And minus 9 is the biggest integer and smallest integer is minus 6. Clear? Now, in this question, now we have to write the biggest integer. Now in biggest integer minus 9, minus 6. In this one, which number is biggest integer? Minus 6 is the minus 9, minus 6 is the biggest integer. Why? Because in positive integers, plus values 9 or 6, plus 9 is a bigger one. In coming to negative numbers, smaller values are bigger, bigger values are smaller. Right. Biggest integer is minus 6 and smallest integer is minus 10. This is question number 1. And similarly, question number 2. Two integers are there, one is plus 3, one more is minus 2. Write first integers between 3 and minus 2. Plus 3 means number line starts from 0, means center one is 0, right side has positive values, left side has negative values. Plus 3 means 0, plus 1, plus 2. Next negative integers are minus 2, 0, minus 1. These are the integers between 3 and minus 2. Now biggest integer is yes. Here in this question, two integers are there. One is plus integer, one is minus integer. Here one is plus 3, one is minus 2. Between these integers, we have to identify that which number is bigger number, which one is smaller number. Simple. Here biggest integer is plus 2 and smallest integer is minus 1. Right. In this case you can identify easily. Now third question is minus 8 and plus 5. Here two integers are there. Integers between minus 8 and plus 5 are minus 8 means right, 0 is the center one, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 till minus 7. Now plus 5 is there. 0 is the center one, right side take a plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 till plus 4. Why? Because here integers between minus 8 and plus 5. Right. Here biggest integer is here plus values, last number is 4, plus 4. In negative integers minus 8. Before minus 8 last number is minus 1. Smallest integer is minus 7. That's all for that's it students, question number 2. Now let's see the question number 3. Now any doubts in this question? Again I am repeating one important point. Do not confuse students. Why? Because here integers concept, integers are nothing but positive values and negative values including 0 is known as integers. Take example two numbers, that is plus 3 and plus 5. Plus 3 and plus 5, these two numbers are positive integers. After these two numbers, what is my question is, we should identify that which number is bigger number, which one is smaller. Plus 3 and plus 2. Plus 3 is a bigger number, plus 2 is a smaller. Same numbers and putting a minus symbol here. I am taking minus symbol, minus 3, minus 2. These two are negative integers. Now exactly opposite to positive integers. Now which number is bigger number? Minus 2 is the bigger value, minus 3 is the smaller value. That is exactly opposite to positive integers. Now positive integers plus value bigger, means bigger value bigger, smaller value smaller. And coming to negative integers, smaller values always take bigger values take smaller value. This is the concept, students. Now let's see the question number 3. Next, question number 3. Write the following integers in ascending order. Okay. In previous classes, in 5th class and 6th class, you study, students, ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? Ascending order is nothing but we have to write the smallest numbers to biggest number. Ascending order. Okay. Small to big. And question number 1 is minus 5 plus 2 plus 1 minus 8. Okay. Beside any number, a symbol not mentioned means you have to take the plus symbol. Okay, you have 2 beside a symbol not there. Take plus. Here 1 beside a symbol not there. Take plus. Okay, na? No. Minus 5 plus 2 plus 1 minus 8. Ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. We have to write the integers from small to big. Okay. Number line, 0 is the center one. Right side has positive values, left side has negative values. Okay, right. Minus 8 means left side value, that is minus 5 also left side value, and plus 1 plus 2 is right side values. Smallest numbers means example, number starts from 0, plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 are bigger values, smaller values are negative values. Now first write negative values. In negative values, bigger number will come first, smaller number come second, right? Just a previous problem we discussed, right? Yeah. Minus 8 is the first smallest number. Next minus 5 is the second smallest number. Next 1 after 2. 2 is the last biggest number. Here in ascending order, what we have to do? We have to maintain the order small to big. Minus 8, minus 5, and next 1 and 2. Similarly, second problem. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 5, 2. Now first 3 negative integers are there, 1 positive integer is there. In 3 negative integers, minus 4, minus 3, minus 5. After these 3 numbers, which number will come first? Largest number, that is minus 5. Minus 5 after minus 4. Minus 4 after minus 3. Minus 3 after minus 2. Minus 1, 0, 0 after 1 and 2. Right side are positive values. Now plus 2 is the last one. Similarly, third problem is minus 10, minus 15, minus 7. Clearly, you can observe clearly in third question, 3 integers are there. 3 integers are negative integers. Okay? Means 0 is the center one. Left side has all negative integers. Here 3 numbers are negative integers. First bigger number will come first, students. Minus 15, next minus 10, last smaller integer is minus 7. This is ascending order, students. Now coming to question number 4, that is exactly opposite to question number 3. Write the following integers in descending order. Descending order is nothing but what we have to do? We have to maintain order biggest to small. We have to write the integers big to small. Now first question is minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. These three integers are negative integers. Big means out of these three numbers, which number is bigger number? First, now smallest number is negative integers. I told you clearly, in negative integers small number is bigger, bigger value is smaller. Now minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. Out of these three numbers, which number is bigger number? Minus 5. Minus 5 is not here first order. It goes to last one, because in bigger value, in negative integer, smaller value, smaller number will come first. Now minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. Clear, students? Now similarly second question. Here also three integers are there. Three integers are negative integers, minus 8, minus 2, minus 1. Here which number is bigger number? Now we have to write the descending order means big to small. Big means not bigger number. We have to take smaller number, that is minus 1. Next minus 2. Next last is minus 8. Clear, students? Next third one is 5, 8, minus 2. 5 is two integers are positive integers, one integer is negative integer. Clearly first will come plus values, that is 8, next 5, last one is minus 2. Okay, now this is question number 3 and 4. Let's see the question number 5. Yeah, next question number 5 is very very important question, students. Represent 6, minus 4, 0, plus 4 on number line. Here beside a number symbol not mentioned means clearly I told take a plus symbol. Here 6 beside symbol sign is not given. Take a plus symbol. No, here 6 is a positive number and plus 4 is a positive integer, and minus 4 is only one negative integer, is a 0. First draw number line. This is number line. And number line, on number line 0 is the center one. Right side take plus values, left side take negative values. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Till how many numbers I should take? Here is a question. Here out of the numbers are given, some integers are given. In these integers, first observe plus values is the which number? Here 6 is the plus value, that is till take plus 6. Negative integer is minus 4. Till minus 4 take. Okay, na? No need to take remaining integers. Okay. Now this is the number line. Represent plus 6 and minus 4 and 0, plus 4 on number line. Right. Plus 6. Right side is plus 6. Clearly circle on plus 6. Next number integer is minus 4. Minus 4 is left side. Circle. Next is 0. Circle 0 center one. Next plus 4. Plus 4 is right side. Circle. This is the representation of a number line. Okay, students. Next question number 6. Fill the missing integers on the number line given below. Here one number line is given. Some integers are given. Between some numbers are not given. We have to fill that integers. And 0 is the center one, clearly observe. Right side plus values, left side negative values. Right. Take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 5 in question only given. Minus 5 after minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Okay. Minus 9 is question only given. Right now take right side. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and plus 1 question only there. Next coming to plus 5, plus 6, plus 1, plus 8 in question only there. This is filling missing letters on number line. Okay. Next let's see the question number 7. Here question number 7, students. The temperatures of 5 cities in India on a particular day are shown on the number line given below. Okay, this is one number line. Some particular days are shown on the number line. Some temperatures are given 5 cities. That 5 cities are: one is Bangalore, one is Ooty, one is Nainital, one is Manali, one is Kausali. Right. Here question number 1 is find the temperatures of the cities as shown on the number line. First Kausali is minus 9 degrees centigrade, students. Second one is Manali. Manali is minus 7 degrees centigrade. Third one is Nainital. Nainital is minus 3 degrees centigrade, students. Ooty is next to 15 degrees centigrade. Bangalore is 20 degrees centigrade. This is the first bit, students. Second bit is which city? Yes, second bit is which city has the highest temperature? Which city is the highest temperature? Yeah, before this problem I told clearly. 0 is the middle one, right side has positive values, left side has negative values on number line. The positive values are bigger values and negative values are smaller values. 20 is the positive value, that is bigger value, that is which city is the highest temperature, that is clearly Bangalore. Third bit is which city has the lowest temperature, means last one is negative value, last one is Kausali, that is the city with the lowest temperature is Kausali. Next, fourth one is which cities have temperature less than 0 degrees centigrade. Less than 0 degrees centigrade means 0 kana takku students, that is the cities with the temperature less than 0 degrees centigrade, Nainital and Manali, and third one is Kausali. 0 less than means 0 left side values, that are negative integers. 3 cities are there, one is Nainital, one is Manali, one is Kausali. Next, fourth question, fifth bit is name the cities with the temperature are more than 0 degree centigrade. More than 0 degree means 0 degrees right side values, that are positive values, that is only 2 cities are there. One is Ooty, one is Bangalore. The cities with the temperature more than 0 degree centigrade are, one is Ooty, Bangalore. Okay, that's all for today's class, students. If you are watching first time my video, please subscribe my channel and like it, share to your friends. Remaining problems means in exercise 2 we will discuss in part 2. Thank you, students. Me Vamshi Kumar.